Hope you're doing fine. Today I'm here with another book summary, Spark by Dr. Jeremy Dean. In this book, he mentions how to live up to the expectations when the tough going it's tough. One of the best ways of get going is to set yourself in if then statements. People generate higher intrinsic motivation when they ask themselves questions.
The chapter, Identify Your Starting Point, emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and understanding your current situation before embarking on any new goal or project. It encourages readers to take a holistic view of their lives and identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By doing so, readers can develop a clear and realistic plan that takes into account their current circumstances and sets achievable goals. The chapter also provides practical tips and exercises to help readers identify their starting point and develop a roadmap for success. The chapter, Discover the Change You Want, focuses on helping readers identify the specific changes they want to make in their lives. It emphasizes the importance of setting clear and specific goals that align with one's values and motivations. The chapter provides a framework for readers to explore their current situation, identify areas for improvement, and envision their desired future. It also offers practical tools and exercises to help readers clarify their goals, break them down into manageable steps, and create a plan of action to achieve them. By discovering the change they want, readers can create a clear direction for their lives and move forward with purpose and confidence. The chapter, Identify Powerful Internal and External Motivations, highlights the importance of understanding and harnessing both internal and external motivators in achieving personal and professional goals. Internal motivators, such as personal values and passions, drive individuals from within, while external motivators, such as recognition and rewards, come from outside sources. The chapter encourages readers to identify and prioritize their internal and external motivators, align them with their goals, and use them as fuel to overcome obstacles and stay focused on their desired outcomes. Practical exercises and examples are provided to help readers identify and strengthen their internal and external motivators, leading to greater success and fulfillment. The chapter, Modeling, focuses on the importance of seeking out and learning from successful role models in order to achieve personal and professional goals. It emphasizes the value of studying the habits, behaviors, and strategies of individuals who have already achieved the desired outcome. By observing and modeling successful role models, readers can gain insights and learn valuable lessons that can help them achieve their own goals. The chapter provides practical tips and exercises for identifying and studying successful role models, including seeking out mentors, reading biographies, and practicing visualization techniques. By leveraging the knowledge and experience of successful role models, readers can accelerate their own personal growth and achieve their desired outcomes more quickly and effectively. The chapter, Getting Started, provides practical guidance and inspiration for readers to take action towards achieving their goals. It emphasizes the importance of taking small, consistent steps towards one's desired outcome, rather than waiting for the perfect moment or feeling overwhelmed by the big picture. It provides practical tips and exercises for overcoming common barriers to getting started, including fear, procrastination, and lack of motivation. It also offers strategies for creating a supportive environment and staying accountable to one's goals, such as finding a partner or joining a community of like-minded individuals. By taking action and making progress towards their goals, readers can build momentum and confidence, ultimately leading to greater success and fulfillment. The chapter, Self-Affirmation, focuses on the power of positive self-talk and self-affirmation in achieving personal and professional goals. It emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive and supportive inner dialogue, and the impact it can have on one's mindset and behavior. It provides practical tools and exercises for practicing self-affirmation, including identifying one's strengths and positive qualities, reframing negative self-talk, and using positive affirmations. By practicing self-affirmation, readers can boost their self-confidence, overcome self-doubt and negative beliefs, and develop a more resilient and optimistic mindset. This can lead to greater success, happiness, and well-being in all areas of life. The chapter, The Backup Plan, emphasizes the importance of being prepared for obstacles and setbacks in the pursuit of one's goals. It encourages readers to create a backup plan, or a plan B, in case their initial approach does not work out as expected. It provides practical guidance on how to create a backup plan, including identifying potential obstacles, brainstorming alternative strategies, and developing contingency plans. By having a backup plan in place, readers can feel more confident and resilient in the face of adversity, and be better equipped to navigate unexpected challenges. It also emphasizes the importance of flexibility and adaptability, and encourages readers to view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. The chapter, Engage Other People, emphasizes the importance of building relationships and seeking support from others in achieving personal and professional goals. It encourages readers to actively engage and collaborate with others, including mentors, colleagues, friends, and family members. It provides practical guidance on how to engage others, including building a support network, seeking feedback and advice, and offering help and support in return. By engaging others, readers can gain valuable insights and perspectives, expand their knowledge and skills, and build a sense of community and belonging. The chapter, Self-Compassion, focuses on the importance of treating oneself with kindness and compassion in the pursuit of personal and professional goals. It emphasizes the harmful effects of self-criticism, self-judgment, and self-blame, and encourages readers to cultivate a more self-compassionate mindset. It provides practical guidance on how to practice self-compassion, including identifying one's inner critic, reframing negative self-talk, and practicing self-care. By practicing self-compassion, readers can reduce stress and anxiety, build resilience, and develop a more positive and supportive relationship with themselves. This can lead to greater self-confidence, motivation, and overall well-being. The chapter, A Good Mood, focuses on the importance of cultivating a positive and optimistic mindset in the pursuit of personal and professional goals. It emphasizes the impact that one's mood and emotions can have on their motivation, creativity, and overall well-being. It provides practical guidance on how to cultivate a good mood, including practicing gratitude, mindfulness, and positive visualization techniques. By cultivating a good mood, readers can boost their energy, creativity, and productivity, and approach challenges with greater optimism and resilience. The chapter, Envy, focuses on the negative emotion of envy and its impact on personal and professional growth. It emphasizes the harmful effects of comparing oneself to others and feeling envious of their accomplishments or possessions. It provides practical guidance on how to overcome envy, including practicing gratitude, focusing on one's own strengths and achievements, and reframing comparisons as opportunities for growth and learning. By overcoming envy, readers can reduce stress and anxiety, build resilience, and develop a more positive and supportive relationship with themselves and others. The chapter, Fear, focuses on the negative emotion of fear and its impact on personal and professional growth. It emphasizes the common nature of fear and the importance of acknowledging and managing it in order to move forward towards goals. It provides practical guidance on how to overcome fear, including identifying the source of fear, reframing it as a challenge rather than a threat, and taking action despite feeling afraid. By overcoming fear, readers can build confidence, resilience, and develop a more positive and proactive mindset. The chapter, Anger, focuses on the negative emotion of anger and its impact on personal and professional relationships. It emphasizes the harmful effects of uncontrolled anger and the importance of managing it effectively. It provides practical guidance on how to manage anger, including identifying triggers, practicing relaxation techniques, and developing effective communication skills. By managing anger, readers can improve their relationships with others, reduce stress and anxiety, and develop a more positive and productive mindset. The chapter, Avoid Self-Handicapping, focuses on the harmful practice of self-handicapping, which involves intentionally creating obstacles or excuses that may impede one's own success. It emphasizes the negative effects of self-handicapping, including reduced motivation, self-esteem, and overall performance. The chapter provides practical guidance on how to avoid self-handicapping, including identifying self-sabotaging behaviors, reframing failure as a learning opportunity, and developing a growth mindset. By avoiding self-handicapping, readers can increase their motivation, self-confidence, and overall success in achieving their goals. The chapter, Finding Your Individual Motivation, focuses on the importance of identifying and understanding one's own unique sources of motivation in pursuing personal and professional goals. It emphasizes the individual nature of motivation and the need for a personalized approach to goal setting and achievement. It provides practical guidance on how to find one's individual motivation, including identifying personal values and passions, setting specific and achievable goals, and celebrating small successes along the way. By finding their individual motivation, readers can increase their engagement, enthusiasm, and overall sense of fulfillment in pursuing their goals. The chapter, Journey Towards a New Identity, focuses on the transformative process of developing a new identity in pursuit of personal and professional growth. It emphasizes the importance of shifting one's mindset and beliefs in order to achieve meaningful change. It provides practical guidance on how to embark on a journey towards a new identity, including identifying limiting beliefs, creating a compelling vision for the future, and taking consistent and intentional action towards one's goals. By embracing a new identity, readers can overcome self-doubt, develop a greater sense of purpose and direction, and achieve greater success and fulfillment in their lives. The chapter, The Review, focuses on the importance of regularly reviewing and reflecting on one's progress towards personal and professional goals. It emphasizes the benefits of reviewing one's successes and challenges in order to learn and grow from past experiences. It provides practical guidance on how to conduct a review, including identifying key accomplishments and areas for improvement, seeking feedback from others, and setting new goals for the future. By conducting regular reviews, readers can maintain a sense of direction and momentum in achieving their goals, and can continually improve and refine their approach over time.
If you're interested to watch such inspirational and knowledgeable summaries which can transform your life, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.